Good morning all of you. Now next question, another question you find the greatest 4-digit number which is a perfect square. We want to find out the greatest 4-digit number and that should be a perfect square also. We know the greatest 4-digit number, all of you know, that is 9999, and but that we want to check it, is it a perfect square or not, and if it is not a perfect square, then which will be the greatest perfect square. Can you imagine how we can find out? Yeah, so first we doing the using long division method, we find the square root of, if it is a perfect square, we check it, is it a perfect square or not. 9999 place bar, so 2 bars will be there. Then first 99, which is the possible square number just below 99, 81. Its square root is 9. So quotient also 9. 9 into 9, 81. 8, 18. Then next bring down 99. Then what is the square double of 9? 18. And which number we should write to get when we multiply that same digit with this number, which will be that, we can just check any number, 188 into 8, 7, 1500 only. Then 9 will be what? 1701. So the possible digit is less than 1899. So we can choose the number 9. Same number on quotient also. 189 into 9 we will get 1701. Then subtract 9 minus 1, 8, 9, 1. So after that division, long division method, we get the remainder 198. So which will be the greatest 4-digit number with a perfect square? So when we subtract 198 from this number, we will get that number, required number, 9999 minus 198. So the required perfect square number is the number when we get after subtracting 198 from this number. 9 minus 8, 1, 0, 8, 9. So which is the greatest 4-digit number which is a perfect square? 9801. Okay, that type of question also we can answer. Next question, how we can find out square root of decimal numbers. Okay, square root of decimal numbers. Before that, how we can check if for any number we got, how many digits will be in its square root, that we can just look. If any number, just number we got 9801 number. Now how many bars here? 2 bars. So how many digits will be in its square root? There will be 2 digits. According to the number of bars, that much digits will be in its square root. Okay. So if it is any number with suppose another number, then here 2 also there. Then we will put last 1 bar, for that one only 1 digit. Now how many bars here? 3 bars. Now in its square root, how many digits will be there? Because here 3 bars are there, then in its square root there will be 3 digits. So we can find out the number of digits in its square root by counting the number of bars in that number, perfect square number. Okay. Now we can discuss how we find out the square root of a perfect decimal number, square root of decimal number. Suppose one question, find the square root of 17.64. 17.64. Here also normally we are writing that number, and how we will place that bars. So first this is the integral part. First take the integral part. That's normally how we start how we take that bars for that digits starting from 1's place and 10's place. We will place 1 bar, and for the decimal part we starting the pairs from the first decimal point, first decimal number. Okay, so here we will start. So first here integral part 1 bars and for decimal part 1. Suppose another number like this, one greater number, if it is 235.648. Suppose one number, and how we place bars to find out the square root of this number. How we place bar? Listen here. First we take the integral part. For integral part it is as normal, starting from 1's place and 10's place. And for the last, if it is only 1, place bar over that 1 digit. Now for the decimal part, we starting from the first decimal place, first and next decimal place. Then next only 1 digit for that last digit. So adding 1 0, then we will place the next bar. Okay, this is the method of placing bar for decimal numbers. Okay, integral part as normal, starting from right to left, but for decimal numbers we are starting from left to right. That is the difference. Now suppose we want to find out this 17.64. So we can start, which is the smallest possible square number just below 17. It is 16. So it is 4. Here also 4, 16. Then subtracting we will get 1. Then bring down 6 4. When we bring down 6 4, before that there is one decimal point. That decimal point we want to place on the quotient. Okay. Now double of 4, 8. Which number we should? It will be 2. 82 into 2. We will get 164. So what is the square root of 17.64? It is 4.2. All other same method, but when we place the bars we want to care. For the integral part we starting from right to left, and for the decimal part we starting the these bars from left to right. That only want to get. And after finding the first integral part we will get remainder. Before bring down the next bar digits, then we want to place that point on the quotient. That's the only difference for that. So what is the square root of 17.64? It is 4.2. Another question. What will be? Find the square root of 2.56. Square root of 2.56. Okay, here also we same method. So first here place the bar for 2, only here 5 6. So here first will be 1. Just below 2 only one square number 1. So in the quotient 1 into 1, 1, 2 minus 1, 1. Next is decimal point. So we put decimal points. After that bring down 56. Double of 1 we know, that is 2. Which number we want to? Right here 26 into 25 into 5, 125, 26 into 6. So 6. So same number on the quotient also. The remainder will be 0. So square root of 2.56 is 1.6. Okay, it is very easy. This way you can find out some other question also. Okay, thank you.